Hey everybody, it's Jackie here and I'm so excited to share with you how we store our spices.
Here is our spice rack. Almost any time someone visits our house for the first time, they comment on this. It is certainly an eye catcher. It's also something that serves a dual purpose. It is great decoration for our kitchen and dining area, but it stores all of our spices. We only add spices up here that we actually use, so one of the most frequently asked questions that we get is, do you actually use all these spices? And we do. We have used every single one that's up here at least once. One of my favorite things about these spice jars is I can just walk up, look at it, and say, hey, I need the rosemary. Tell by looking at it. So these spices are right in our kitchen next to our dining room. Here's a view of where, from my island, the spices are, so you can see it's very easy for me to access as I'm cooking, which I do all my cooking right here on the island. It's very convenient, and I think pretty darn cute. So here's what I keep extras of. I have extra labels that I made on my computer using my Silhouette machine and sticker paper, extra of the jars from Ikea, and then I keep my Sharpie with all of these because I want to be able to use the same color and I don't want to go hunting for it. So this Sharpie has a permanent spot in a supply drawer by all my extra spice jars. So anytime I get a new spice, I'm able to add it right to the collection and have it fit in with everything.
These shelves were built for us by my dad a few years ago. However, most floating shelves will be able to serve the same purpose. For stopping by my channel, please consider subscribing, liking, or checking out my other videos.